What's up, guys? See who gets the free teams on the finest PYT number 1. Timestamp 145. Got all the teams in. Dice has to be 4 or more. The top 7 are going to get the teams, and they'll just be entered as they are where you picked your teams. So I'll just go down the list and enter your names. Top 7 are in 10 times. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Phillies, White Sox, Twins, Mets, Brewers, Padres, and Giants. So if you own one of those teams, you're going to get a free team. And like I said, we'll start at the Phillies, are the owner of the Phillies, and work ourselves down as they're listed here. Thanks, guys, and we're done. $146.